Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. It's fine.
I'll be very brief. The point is this. You've indicated that there's a desire here to go back to the state of the law before the two Supreme Court cases. And I can, if you look at the status of the law before the two Supreme Court cases, there had been an extremely expansive interpretation of the term navigable waters by the agencies, which had caused a high level of concern among water users across the country and people in different aspects of commerce. And there was a belief on their part, which the Supreme Court upheld, that the interpretation of the term navigable waters had been expanded far beyond its legislative intent and its meaning. And that's what the Supreme Court did. The Supreme Court pulled that unjustified expansion of the term navigable waters back into a proper realm. If the effort is to go back to the status of the law before those two cases, are we going back to the law which referred to navigable waters, or are we going back to the interpretation of that term by the agencies, which expanded it far beyond any reasonable definition of that term? That's the debate we are having here. And I personally believe that this adopted amendment, as well as the previous underlying text, goes far beyond that, not only by taking out the word navigable, which I think is clearly a limiting term, but also by specifically stating that waters of the United States include all interstate and intrastate waters, including things, and it lists these in the statute: mudflats, sandflats, wetlands, sloughs, prairie potholes, wet meadows, playa lakes, and natural ponds, and all tributaries of any of the above waters, and all impoundments of the foregoing. The point is, the statute that we are looking at, this language we are looking at here, does go back and statutorily adopt the unjustified, expansive interpretation of the terms that the agencies were seeking before the Supreme Court cases. It does do that. But that's not what the whole debate is about. The debate is about whether we are asserting jurisdiction over what, in the current law, is navigable waters, and that's why the debate.
Well, if I could say this, I thought we were discussing the Vitter Amendment, but so we're going to vote on that because we already passed the Baucus Amendment.